Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Compass vs Land Rover Discovery Sport, which is better. Follow along as we examine handling, technology, comfort, and ownership costs in simple terms. I'll highlight strengths and trade-offs for each model and point out who should choose which vehicle. Stay tuned for clear comparisons on fuel efficiency, cargo space, off-road capability, and safety features so you can make an informed, confident choice. Let's dig into performance and handling in a friendly, easy-to-follow way that works for TTS. I'll describe engine options, towing, and throttle response without jargon. We'll compare ride comfort versus sporty tuning and note real-world MPG differences and driving feel. By the end, you'll understand how each model behaves on pavement, gravel, and steeper terrain so you can match driving needs to the right vehicle. Quick reminder to subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers are great for storing snacks and gear when loading either SUV for a trip, and they save cleanup time after muddy adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll explore interiors and technology with a warm, conversational tone that's TTS-friendly. I'll point out touchscreen sizes, instrument layouts, connectivity, and comfort, touches that matter during daily commutes and road trips. Expect notes on cargo volume, rear legroom, and optional upgrades that change value and practicality. This section will highlight which features are standard versus optional, so you can estimate real ownership comfort and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.